That's racing. Just is started. We have God is good. Very quickly at the start. Moving up by the rail as time goes by. Next online, Tangi Ikaw. Firehouse then followed by Jaji. Heart of the Wind comes next. Binget. While Sound of the Wind is the early trigger. And going along for the first turn. We have God is good by about 4 lengths right. And in second now is Firehouse. As time goes by is on the outside. In between horses comes entry number 3, and this one is Binget. We have God is good by about 6 lengths. As time goes by in second. Moving up on the outside now is Heart of the Wind. Binget comes next. Jaji then followed by Firehouse, Tanging Ikaw, while Sound of the Wind is still in behind them. And on the far turn we have God is good by about half length. Moving up now on the outside is Heart of the Wind to take the lead. We have Heart of the Wind now moves up by about 2 lengths. God is good drops back in second as time goes by. Down the inside now is Binget, Tanging Ikaw, Firehouse, Sound of the Wind, while Jaji is still in behind them as they swing for home. We have Heart of the Wind this time by about 3 lengths, followed by entry number 3, Binget in second with about 150 meters more to run. We have Heart of the Wind followed by Binget in second. Heart of the Wind, Binget is on the outside. Heart of the Wind, Binget is on the outside. Heart of the Wind, Binget, and but it's a close finish between Binget and Heart of the Wind. Then comes God is good as time goes by. Tanging Ikaw, Firehouse, Sound of the Wind, and
at meron nga tayong photo for first na tinawag ng ating stewards, no? Between 3 and 4. At ang ating quarters is 18.5, 26.